If you haven't seen Amazon's office in Singapore, you're missing out. So let's take a look inside this workplace. So Amazon opened this office in 2021 at Asia Square, and it's a big part of their strategy to scale up their presence in Asia. It spreads across 3 floors, and it's a massive 100,000 square foot. But what have they actually got in here? 50 breakout areas, 5 big meeting rooms, phone booths, and lots of recreational space. So with this being Amazon, obviously they have to bring that culture in. All along the corridors, they've got these bold graphics telling the story of Amazon's leadership principles and history, but blended with nods of local Singapore vibe, which we think is a great detail. The whole office is designed around choice, with collaboration hubs scattered across the floor plates so staff can pick where they work. And one really clever feature is the movable furniture, so spaces can be cleared to fit extra desks as teams grow. But our favourite bit is the social space. They've got Scrabble, chess, and snakes and ladders mounted right on the walls, plus foosball and billiards. So for us, this is a really fun and flexible place to work. But what do you think? Would you like to work here?